Here's how to write a YouTube video description in a simple format in under 3 minutes. You want to make it clear to the viewer what the video is about. There's 4 easy steps you can follow. Number 1 is start with what the video is about. Number 2, add a short explanation. Number 3, include keywords naturally. And then 4, add a call to action. Let's take a look at this description I've dropped in and see if we covered the 4 steps. The first step was start with what the video is about. We've got learn how to write a YouTube video description step by step in just minutes. That's pretty clear. Number 2 is to add a short explanation. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 steps to writing a description, no fluff, in a format that works and is repeatable. That's pretty clear. Number 3, include keywords naturally. You don't want to just stuff keywords in. In here, we've got beginners and we've got channel growth. So that's pretty clear keywords that maybe the algorithm can pick up. Number 4 is you always want to add a call to action. It doesn't have to jump off the page, but it needs to be something. In this case, if you want more fast, no fluff how-to videos, subscribe. So subscribe is the call to action. Have a question, topic, or idea? Drop it in the comments. This is a call to action. You want to get the viewer to do something. YouTube loves to see viewer engagement with the videos you post, and the more engagement, the faster your channel will grow. Calls to action like these help accomplish that. Now here's my call to action. If you folks want to see more no fluff how-to videos like this, just come on back to see us.